Welcome to Back My Channel and Car Update. The Tesla Cybertruck is an all-electric pickup truck unveiled by Tesla, Incorporated on November 21, 2019, with CEO Elon Musk showcasing its bold design and futuristic features. Its body is constructed from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, making it resistant to dents, scratches, and corrosion. This stainless steel exoskeleton contributes to its unconventional, angular look, making it stand out in the automotive market. The Cybertruck's exterior features a minimalist, industrial design, built for durability and functionality. In terms of dimensions, the Cybertruck is approximately 231.7 inches in length, 79.8 inches in width, and 75 inches in height. The wheelbase spans 149.9 inches, offering a solid foundation for both everyday driving and rugged tasks. The windows are made from armor glass, designed to be highly resistant to breaking, though the glass famously cracked during the truck's unveiling. Despite its unique design, the Cybertruck's durability and performance make it a viable option for those seeking a reliable work truck and a futuristic, eye-catching vehicle. The Cybertruck comes with three different motor options: a single-motor rear-wheel drive, RWD, a dual-motor all-wheel drive, AWD, and a tri-motor all-wheel drive, AWD. The single-motor version offers a more budget-friendly option, while the dual-motor provides enhanced power and traction, ideal for those seeking better all-weather capability. The tri-motor variant is the most powerful, offering the highest performance and speed. In terms of acceleration, the tri-motor version is capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest pickup trucks on the market. The single-motor version accelerates in approximately 6.5 seconds. The Cybertruck's towing capacity is one of its key features. The single motor can tow up to 7,500 pounds, the dual-motor version can handle 10,000 pounds, and the tri-motor version can tow up to 14,000 pounds. The truck's payload capacity is also impressive, with the ability to carry 1,500 pounds in its bed, making it a practical option for those who need a vehicle capable of heavy-duty tasks. The vehicle offers different battery pack options, providing different driving ranges depending on the motor configuration. The single-motor version can travel up to 250 miles on a single charge, while the dual-motor version offers up to 300 miles. The tri-motor version, which is the most powerful, has an estimated range of up to 500 miles. The Cybertruck also supports Tesla's supercharger network, enabling faster recharging on long trips. Inside, the Cybertruck follows Tesla's signature minimalist approach, with a large 17-inch touchscreen that controls most of the vehicle's functions. The interior can seat up to 6 passengers, with the front bench seat and ample space in the back. The truck also features substantial storage options, with the 100 cubic feet secure storage area and a bed, referred to as the vault, and additional storage under the front hood, frunk. The truck's spacious and functional cabin makes it well-suited for long journeys or heavy-duty hauling. Off-road performance is another standout feature of the Cybertruck. With air suspension that provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance and the ability to adjust the vehicle's height, the Cybertruck can easily handle rough terrain. The truck also includes rear-wheel steering, which improves maneuverability, particularly when navigating tight spaces or off-road conditions. Its high ground clearance and rugged design make it a great choice for adventurers and those who need a truck capable of handling diverse environments. The Cybertruck is equipped with advanced safety and technology features. It comes with autopilot, Tesla's semi-autonomous driving system, which allows the vehicle to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically. Full self-driving capabilities are still under development. The truck also includes 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a forward radar for enhanced safety, driver assistance, and autonomous driving functionality. Tesla's design focuses on protecting occupants with its rigid structure and crumple zones, ensuring a high level of crash safety. In terms of pricing, the single-motor version starts at $39,900, the dual-motor version at $49,900, and the tri-motor variant at $69,900. The production of the Cybertruck was initially scheduled to begin in 2021, but due to various delays and high demand, the production timeline has been extended, and the vehicle is expected to enter production in 2024 or 2025. Despite delays, the Cybertruck remains highly anticipated due to its groundbreaking features and Tesla's reputation for innovation. Additional unique features include the possibility of a solar roof option, which would allow the truck to generate some of its own power using solar energy. This feature would be particularly useful for extending the range of the vehicle during long trips or for eco-conscious buyers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. In summary, the Tesla Cybertruck combines bold design, rugged performance, and Tesla's cutting-edge technology. It offers impressive acceleration, towing capacity, and an electric range that outpaces many traditional trucks on the market. With its durable exterior, advanced interior, and off-road capabilities, the Cybertruck promises to revolutionize the pickup truck segment once it hits the roads.